Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Excel and creating a blank workbook. Type column headers in row 1 and press Tab to move across. Once done, enter a few sample values to establish data types, because Excel infers numbers, dates, and text differently. Make sure to bold headers and freeze the top row so you can scroll. Use Ctrl+S to save with a clear file name. This gets your sheet usable immediately and prevents data loss while you move to analysis. Now organize with a table. Select your range and press Ctrl+T so filters and structured references work reliably. Next, add formulas like equals SUM, B2, B10, or equals average C2, C10, and use autofill to copy patterns quickly. Drag the fill handle. For conditional logic, use IF to branch results. Once calculations look right, create a chart by selecting the data and pressing Alt+F1. Then adjust axes and labels. This helps you see trends and validate your formulas in context. Finish by cleaning and securing the workbook. Remove empty rows, apply consistent number formats, and use data validation to prevent bad entries. Then protect sensitive sheets via Review Protect Sheet and save a backup version. If something breaks, don't panic. Use formula auditing, watch precedent/dependent arrows, and evaluate formula step by step to locate errors. Make sure to compare values versus raw data and restore the backup if formulas are irreparably changed. This wraps up and keeps your file reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.